Hello, I'm Uncle Jimmy once again with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. And me and my son, Forbes, say hi, Forbes.
Hi.
Are in Strasburg, Pennsylvania, in Amish country today. And we are visiting a couple museums up here. And today we are at the Choo Choo barn. It's a gigantic model train layout. And we're going to go inside here shortly and see what it's all about. So follow us on this venture today as we go around Strasburg and see all the train sites. I got a train in the back we'll take a look at here later, a real train, and just enjoy the day with us as we go look at model trains and hobby supplies and stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay with us as we do this adventure. Sit back and enjoy. Look at the flag. There's the picture. The picture's on the mound there.
What is he gonna do? She said he's gonna do something. But I don't see her doing anything.
That's what I was asking.
Even though you don't see it, the picture's moving his head.
So we're here.
Towards third base.
We're here with my son, and we're checking things out. Really neat layout here that we're going to look at.
Where's third base? Where's third base? Which one's third base? No, it's the same thing. That's what it was. It was moving the pitcher's head, running towards third base. Okay.
Here comes another train, folks.
Oh, the next one's the zoo.
We got a zoo here. I like the way that everything's moving and animated.
Look at that. Look at that.
My son pointed out that they got real live goldfish in the water here.
Really cool. Oh, wait, I need to find something. How many animals are moving in between them? Okay, I need to tell
It's a really neat layout. He's got a lot of movement going on.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Wait.
A little boy's on a scavenger hunt here. They give you a scavenger sheet to find things. And he's interested in finding everything on the sheet. Look, there's Batman. See Batman?
Where do I find this?
Plane flying overhead. It's a really neat little place here.
Can you help me with the barn one day? I can't. It says, how many cows are walking into the barn?
There's the barn over there, son.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So he found what he's looking for. The cows in the barn over there. We'll move on and see what is ahead here.
I need to find the guy who's in the hospital. Okay, show him this. Show him this.
My son wanted me to point out this cave here. That is kind of neat.
Oh.
I would have missed it if he hadn't told me.
Oh, there's a a train.
Train going by.
Oh, there's another one. But
Train
Daddy,
coming out.
But Daddy, I need to find this. The man using the restroom.
A what?
It says the man using the restroom.
Man using the restroom.
I need to find him.
Now we're looking for a man using the restroom.
I think he's back to the...
You might not be able to find all of them.
The normal climber. It's the fit. Right there. Right there.
The vehicles going by there. Someday I hope my layout looks like this. I want to have a nice... There's Thomas the Train.
And the mirror.
Right now, as you know, I'm just building structures on mine, and eventually I want to have a layout like this.
Using their turn cycles. Signals. Okay, so one.
Look at the man moving in the single booth
It
there.
says a sign in the singles.
Right there. It's a single booth.
No, not that. So one turns.
And we got a Amish barn off in the distance. On an Amish farm, they're having a barn raising event with a picnic going on. And Amish guys are building the barn, having the barn raising. What the Amish do up here is they'll get together and have a great big feast and build a barn in a day. And the whole community comes to do that.
Oh, I need to find the SUV. So, right there.
Got the cop pulling over
That's
someone.
That's the one on here.
Son's really excited. He's having a blast here. Over here we got, looks like a carnival going on. That's a replica of Dutch Wonderland, which is an amusement park in this area that me and my wife both have taken our kids there. There's Dutch Wonderland.
Yeah, but I need to find the guy who's Carnival Field.
Well, take your time and look. I'm going to move on and film here. I can see you, so you're safe with me, so take your time and look around. Told my son to go ahead and do a scavenger hunt while I film here and show you some of the sights and sounds. More goldfish. Over here we got another carnival going on. Now this here that we're looking at is, it looks to me to be mostly O-scale, but I could be wrong. Yes, it's an O-scale set layout. Mine's HO, mine's smaller. I like the smaller scales. Here we have a circus. Hey, we got a circus up here for it. Got giraffes. Great big parade here with the circus. The big top is down here. So we've got the big top circus going on. really neat, folks. This is really, really neat.
To find the smaller one.
Over here we have a parade going through town. Oh, okay, now it's becoming evening time. So the sun's going down.
Oh, cool. I can't see this though.
So it's nighttime now.
I need to find this one. Find Kinder Club at the house being built. I need to find that. Over there?
It's a house being built right there. So look for what you need there.
Oh, he's right there. Yeah.
See him?
Yeah.
Really neat. You got the stars in the sky shining, twinkling. Now soon it'll become daylight again. And we'll be able to see more. They also have different trains up on the walls here to show you the different types of trains there is. So here we go, sun's coming up over the city.
There's a train.
And it's becoming daylight again.
Daddy, I need to find this one. It says farmer matching with the ground ball. Where's that?
I'm not sure where that would be. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. We are going to visit another train museum here shortly. But
There's arguments.
wanted to show you this. This is the first time I've been here. And it only cost us, what was it, $16 to get in for the two of us, which is really worth it. And again, we are in Strasburg, Pennsylvania. Passenger train coming by, Amtrak.
There's the soldiers.
And we'll move on down through here.
Here's a jeep to the soldiers. Soldiers are going down the road. I might just say, I might just not do this because this is a little too tricky and she didn't tell me where they are. And this doesn't tell me where they are.
Okay, folks, we're going to move on here. We've got a fire over here. House is smoking.
Just wait, it didn't start yet. Wait for the fire engine to go.
There'll be a fire engine coming and the house on fire.
Down, down.
There
Can
it
you see the
goes.
fire inside the house? If he looks up here, you can see the fire inside the A-frame.
fire inside the house there. There comes the fire truck now on the building. Really neat. A lot of animation going on. A lot of things to see. Firemen even come out. Look at that. Firemen going up on the roof there to spray. Put the fire out. Really neat, folks. Really neat. We'll move on here a little bit.
See this guy with his airplane over here? That would be fun.
Oh yeah.
Remote control airplane. You see it?
No, I think it's like a kite.
No. You don't need to see the water because it's not
Got a mill over here, water. Ski slope over there. The people coming down the ski slope. Got a lift going up
Get the later.
to the top.
There's a school bus over there picking up a child.
Plane flying overhead. School bus.
The school bus picking up a little kid from his house.
So are you enjoying yourself, Forbes? My son really likes stuff like this. Batman going around here. Well, folks, pretty much the layout, and hope you've enjoyed this vlog and this little adventure here of this little train museum. We're going to have a look around a little bit, so please, if you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Please feel free to leave comments of other things you'd like to see. Hit the notification bell at the top to let you know when there's new videos that are downloaded. And again, thanks for watching. I'm Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Until next time, goodbye.